Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to sync external audio in LumaFusion. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to sync your external audio in LumaFusion, you need to simply use the automatic sync. LumaFusion offers two primary methods to simply sync your external audio. So simply go to LumaFusion, and once you're in your LumaFusion, you need to first of all import your media. After you have imported your video clip with the original audio as well and the separate one, you need to upload a high quality external audio clip from the LumaFusion library. Now you need to create a multicam container. You need to long press on the clips in the library and drag them into the synchronization bar. Once you have done this, you can simply map the longest audio only clip to dedicated primary audio track drop zone. Now you can simply tap on it and go on the synchronization mode. After this, you need to simply tap confirm once the synchronization is perfect and you're all set. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.